Essentially, when I'm playing the ball into the wind, I want to keep the ball lower, but I also want it to swing easier. To hit the ball lower, we've talked about that earlier on, where I get my left shoulder a little bit lower, my right shoulder a little higher, and play the ball back in my stance. The other thing is that I want to swing easier. I do not want to really hit this very hard. That means that I might take 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 more clubs to hit this ball. Let's see what happens. That's the normal position. And now I've taken my low ball position. Left shoulder lower, right shoulder higher. Lift the club up. And that's the way you control the ball in a heavy wind.
Right. Oh boy, look at this. And now Watson with a chance for eagle.